Welcome back to what's inside that Pokeball. We have some more Chaos Rising for you. Today we have 5 packs of Chaos Rising sleeves. Let's get ripping and find out what's inside. I love these pack cards. Thanks to the Collector's app, here's the 4 top chase card. Now let's start ripping to pull that Mega Greninja. Following with a Crobat. Now let's go with pack number 4, hoping to get some better pulls. Back-to-back Crobats. Pack number 3, I hope our chances are way better than that. What? A third Crobat? But pack number 2, we don't need any more Crobat. Mega Pywar EX, nice. Now with the final pack to go, let's hope we pull the Mega Greninja. Full art Mega Pywar, nice. Please like, subscribe for more Pokepop Mania content.